the boat that came in. Wouldn't turn over. They put a new starter on it. You can tell it's a new starter. They said it had a new battery. The battery is actually 7 of 20. So, started it, running, pumping water. The thing that really scares me is you can see up underneath there the rust on the transom. Hopefully it's 4 winds, so the transom's not bad. It has frozen. Push the freeze plug back in. You can see the rust where the freeze plug came out. He's got a broken alternator bracket. You can see how the belt's not aligned, but he's got a new battery in it. Go ahead and cut it off. Oh, put it in gear, I guess. Shifts in forward. No reverse. Go ahead and do that again. Oh boy, that's bad. And he's got a bent prop shaft. So we're a little scared about that on the shifting, because on the shift plate on this one, none of that's in the right place. None of that's in the right place. That's too far. The barrel's too far out. The solder key on the bottom right there, you can tell someone just put it in. So he's got shift issues, but it does drop into forward, so we're going to have to deal with trying to get that done. He thought he had a Mercy, it's a Cobra. Oh, that's still, that was forward. All right, try reverse again. It's locking in, maybe it's getting better. One more time and forward. All right, well there we are. We're gonna get him taken to the lake to make sure it's not making milkshakes since the freeze plug was out.